Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, can you get $10,000 GBank Visa credit card with bad credit? But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you've been asking this question and you're wondering, can you actually get one? Well, to be totally honest with you, it may be kind of hard. Now, you can't actually get this card if your credit is in a bad shape or in a really bad shape. Now, even though some people try to position it as a slick workaround for bad credit here, well, GBank explicitly states on their own website that they require an average credit score of at least like 670 to qualify. That means if your report has active collections, recent late payments, or charge-offs dragging it down, well, you're almost guaranteed to get hit with an immediate rejection here. So let's go and understand a few things. But if your score is hovering right around the fair to good baseline here, well, there's a really cool, completely risk-free way to test the water. So in this case, if you're in the baseline or at least in the fair good area here, you'll have some chance. So they use a pre-qualification tool on their site that runs a soft credit pool through Experian. Now you can literally just punch in your information, find out your exact approved credit limit without a single point dropping from your score. Now they only trigger a hard inquiry if you are successfully pre-qualified and explicitly choose to accept the card. Now that's actually how people actually get thousands of dollars or limit before it ever touch their credit history. Now, if you do qualify, this card is a little anomaly here, while a little anomaly in the credit world. So it's issued by GBank out of the Las Vegas and is specifically here designed for sports bettors and daily fantasy players. Now, traditional banks absolutely hate gambling transactions, so they will either block them entirely or hit you with massive predatory cash advance fees and immediate high interest. Now, GBank completely flips the script on it, so they treat deposits into approved platforms like FanDuel, BetMGM, or PrizePicks here as standard everyday purchases. So that means you pay zero cash advance penalties and you actually earn an unlimited 1% cashback on those gaming deposits. Now, for everything else in your daily life here, it functions as a highly competitive flat 2% cashback card with absolutely no annual fee. So they even give you a immediate virtual card and the second you are approved. So you can drop it straight into your digital wallet and start using it right away. So just keep your eyes open though for the catch. So there is completely 0% introductory APR window on this thing. And the ongoing interest rates can spike up into the upper 27% range. Now, if you carry a balance from month to month, the interest will instantly swallow you up any cashback you earn. So while it's a fantastic high limit niche tool, if you love sports betting and have decent credit here, it is definitely not the card to look at if you're trying to rebuild a damaged score from scratch. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.